Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to your new channel of English YouTube classes pronunciation course, lesson 34. English pronunciation course with Moroccan tutor Hassane, lesson 34. In today's lesson, we'll focus on the phonetic sound air, air, air. Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. Let's have fun pronouncing English words. By the end of this pronunciation, lesson 34, you'll have practiced and focused mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound air, air, air. It's like the air we breathe, the air. So we can't live without air. So this is to remember this by the word air. We can't live without air. We breathe air, air, air. So this symbol doesn't have the R at the end, but when we have, okay, when we pronounce it, there is an R in this sound. Air, air, air. Let's continue. Air, air, air. The sound air is generally present in words that have the letters A-R-E or A-I, air, like the word I said, air. We cannot live without air, so air. And the words that have E-A-R. But I should remind you that not all the words that have E-A-R is pronounced air. For example, the ear. So we listen by our ears. It's not air, airs, ears. So ear. So here, when we have it in words, we are going, some words they are pronounced, okay. For example, to hear. To hear. It's not to hear, to hear. So not all the words that have E-A-R are pronounced air. But in this lesson, we are going to see the words that have E-A-R but are pronounced air. And also when we have E-R-E or when we have E-I-R. So all these letters, so when we have them in words of this lesson, we are going to pronounce it air, air, air. For example, the first word is area, area. So air, area, area. The second word, the plural of area, is areas, areas. Let's repeat after me. As I said, in all pronunciation lessons, you need to repeat after me because it's for you, it's not for me. So I am doing this for you to learn. So try to practice after me. When I say repeat after me, don't be shy. So try to have courage and to repeat after me to learn new things and to improve your pronunciation. So the first word is area, area. The second word, areas, areas. So we have air, the word air, the sound air. Let's go to the next slide. So as I said before, the air, air, air. And the second word, airfare. So in this we have two combinations. We have A-I-R and we have A-R-E. So airfare, airfare. Let's repeat after me. The first word, air, air. The second word, airfare, airfare. Let's go to the next slide. So the first word is aware, aware, aware. The second word, awareness, awareness. So let's repeat after me. The first word, aware, aware. The second word, awareness, awareness. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is bear, bear. The second, so look at the two words, they are pronounced in the same way. The first word is bear and the second word is bear, bear. Let's repeat after me. The first word, bear, bear, and the second word, bear, bear. Let's go to the next slide. This word, this slide, we have just one word, barely, barely. Let's repeat after me this word, barely, barely. Let's go to the next word or to the next slide. So the first word is care, care. The second one, compare, compare. Let's repeat after me the first word, care, care. The second one, compare, compare. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is chair, chair. The second one, childcare, childcare. Let's repeat after me the first one, chair, chair. The second one, childcare, childcare. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is dare, dare, sorry, dare, dare. The second word, daycare, daycare. Let's repeat after me the first one, dare, dare. The second one, daycare, daycare. Let's continue. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is a verb, declare, declare. The second one is a state in America, Delaware, Delaware. So let's repeat after me the first word, declare, declare, and the second one, Delaware, Delaware. Let's go to the next slide. We have just one word, despair, despair. Let's repeat after me this word, despair, despair. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is elsewhere, elsewhere, and the second one, ensnared, ensnared. Let's repeat after me the first one, elsewhere, elsewhere. The second one, ensnared, ensnared. Let's go to the next slide. So the same here, we have two words, they are pronounced in the same way. Fair, fair. This is the first word. The second word, fair, fair. So the same pronunciation. Let's repeat after me the first one, fair, fair. The second one, fair, fair. As I said before, we have E, normal E, and inverted E, but the sound, there is an R inside this sound, or these two symbols. Let's go to the next slide. The first one is flare, flare. The second one, footwear, footwear. Let's repeat after me the first one, flare, flare. The second one, footwear, footwear. Let's go to the next slide. One word, glare, glare. Let's repeat after me this word, glare, glare. Let's go to the next slide. So the same, when we have A-I-R or A-R-E, so the same pronunciation. Hair, but different meanings, of course. So the first word is hair, hair. The second word the same, hair, hair. So from this we notice that in English there are words, they are pronounced in the same way but with different spelling and different meanings. Let's continue. The first word is mare, mare. The second one, millionaire. Millionaire. Let's repeat after me. The first one, mayor. Mayor. The second one, millionaire. Millionaire. Let's go to the next one. This one, I remember when I was young, I pronounce it mayor, but it's not pronounced mayor, it's pronounced mayor. Mayor. And the second one, mares. Mares. So the first one is mare. Mare. The second one, mares. Mares. Let's continue. So the first word is nightmare. Nightmare. The second one, nowhere. Nowhere. Let's repeat after me. The first one, nightmare. Nightmare. The second one, nowhere. Nowhere. Let's continue. The same, we have the same, okay, two words. They are written in a different way, but they are pronounced in the same way. So the first one is pear. Pear. The second one, pear. Pear. The same pronunciation, but different words and different meanings. Let's repeat after me. The first one, pear. Pear. The second one, pear. Pear. Let's go to the next slide. So this word, many students, they pronounce it parent. It's not parent. Do you know why? Because we have A-R-E. So when we have, in most words, when we have A-R-E, we pronounce it air. Parent. Parent. It's not parent, it's parent. Parent. And the plural, parents. Parents. Let's repeat after me the first word. Parent. Parent. The second one, parents. Parents. Let's go to the next slide. So the same word, so here in this word, the first word we pronounce it, many students pronounce it prayer, but it's pronounced pear. Pear. So because ER, they don't pronounce it. So they pronounce it pear. Pear. The second one, prepare. Prepare. Let's repeat the first one. Pear. Prayer. Prayer. The second one, prepare. Prepare. Let's continue. The first word is rare. Rare. The second one, rarely. Rarely. Let's repeat after me. The first one, rare. Rare. The second one, rarely. Rarely. Let's go to the next slide. The first one, rarefied. Rarefied. The second one, repair. Repair. Let's repeat after me. The first one, rarefied. Rarefied. The second one, repair. Repair. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is scare. Scare. The second one, share. Share. Let's repeat after me. The first one, scare. Scare. The second one, share. Share. Let's go to the next slide. Shareholder. Shareholder. The second one, shareware. Shareware. Let's repeat after me. The first word, shareholder. Shareholder. The second one, shareware. Shareware. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is snare. Snare. The second one, software. Software. Let's repeat after me. The first word, snare. Snare. The second one, software. Software. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is solitaire. Solitaire. The second one, square. square. Let's repeat after me the first word. Solitaire, solitaire. The second one, square, square. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is spare, spare. The second one, stairs, stairs. Let's repeat after me the first word. Spare, spare. The second one, stairs, stairs. Let's go to the next slide. The first word, so here the same. We have two different words, but they are pronounced in the same way. Stare, stare. The second one, stare, stare. The same pronunciation. Let's repeat these two words. Stare, stare. The second word, stare, stare. Let's go to the next slide. The first word, we saw it before, so scare, scare. And the second one, scarecrow, scarecrow. Let's repeat after me the first word. Scare, scare. The second one, scarecrow, scarecrow. Let's continue. The first word is staircase, staircase. The second one, swear, swear. Let's repeat after me the first word. Staircase, staircase. And the second one, swear, swear. Let's continue. The first word is tear, tear. And the second one, there, there. Let's repeat after me the first one. Tear, tear. The second one, there, there. Let's continue. The first one, thereon, thereon. The second one, there, there. Let's repeat after me the first one. Thereon, thereon. The second one, there, there. Let's continue. The first word is therefore, therefore. And the second one, thoroughfare, thoroughfare. Let's repeat after me the first word. Therefore, therefore. So the second word is a long word. So the first word is thoroughh is pronounced just thorough, thorough, thoroughfare, 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 thoroughfare. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is very. It's not very, very, very. So very is spelled or is written V-E. So this one is A, air, very, very. And the second one, varied, varied. Let's repeat the first one, very, air, very, very, very. And the second one, varied, varied. Let's go to the next one. This word, the first word is various, various. The second one, variously, variously. Let's repeat after me the first one, various, various. The second one, variously, variously. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is warfare, warfare. And the second one is where, where. Let's repeat after me the first word, warfare, warfare. The second one, where, where. The first word is wearable, wearable. The second one, where, where. The first word, wearable, wearable. The second one, where, where. The first word is welfare, welfare. The second one, whereof, whereof. Let's repeat after me the first one, welfare, welfare. The second one, whereof, whereof. So this word is a long word, questionnaire, questionnaire. Let's repeat after me this one, questionnaire, questionnaire. So the next slide we have unaware, unaware. And the second one, underwear, underwear. Let's repeat after me. The first word, unaware, unaware. And the second one, underwear, underwear. This slide we have just one word, impair, impair. Let's repeat after me this word, impair, impair. Let's continue. So this one, the name of a writer or a poet, Voltaire, Voltaire. Let's repeat after me this word, Voltaire, Voltaire. That's the end of this pronunciation lesson 35. Until then, see you soon in lesson 35 on our two YouTube channels, House School Hassane and House College Hassane. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like for the video, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to get new videos. Thank you, goodbye and good luck.